For anyone who's new, my name is Olivia, and today I'm going to do a fun quick wrap using the latest scarf purchase from Wrapunzel, and it is the Caribbean Getaway scarf in purple. Now I did pick up both of these scarves, the ginger and the purple, but today I wanted to wrap with this beauty here. And I'm going to be pairing it with the 2-in-1. It's an original 2-in-1 in the Seafoam color because I think these two will pair really well together. But I'm going to start out with the original 2-in-1, and I'm going to put it on with a very long side and a very short side. I do not want any tails for this look. I think my floofy collar, with that it would be just too much to have tails. So give this a quick knot in the back. Okay. And this will be hidden. I'm wearing a partially stuffed, it's almost full, so three quarters full, maybe slightly more in the Wendy, but I think, let's see, I've folded this the way I typically fold my square scarves, with the little tiny tail that I'm going to tuck into the knot in the back. I'm putting this on at an angle. Let's see if we can bring you all the way around. Folding in, just neatening it up. We're going to make it at an angle like this. I think this might work better. Okay. In, bringing up and over. I'm going to bring it underneath and back around. Neaten this up a bit. And there we go. All right. So I have this beauty here. I'm going to be bringing this up. Not seeing the Seafoam scarf on this side is fine. But as you can see, when I brought this up, I've got all this texture on the side. That's going to be amazing. Okay. I'm going to bring up, going right on top of the Seafoam that I already have. Let's see if we can fold this, get the small edge inside. But I don't want to add an extra stripe of the Seafoam, I just want it to be coming up. And just in case you didn't notice, this has a lot of body. It's very, very stiff, and that's amazing for creating very interesting texture. So bring this around. Now I don't know if I want to bring this around the front. And there we go. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay. All right, so I'm taking this back piece, finding the pocket in the back, the small piece, tucking it in. I've got that beautiful, wow. Okay, I like that a lot. You end up only seeing a little tiny bit of that seafoam. Oh, that's pretty. And I can adjust this. Like so. Let me do a quick spin around to show you the whole look. All right, everyone, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video.